Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming why Twitter blocks the change. You might be on a managed account or a temporarily restricted profile. Once done, check email and phone verification because an unverified contact often prevents edits. Make sure you're signed in on the same device where authentication was set up. If you see a message saying, "You may not change this setting," write down its exact wording and capture a screenshot for the next step. Now use the account recovery flow in Twitter's Help Center. Choose the form that matches your situation, locked, compromised, or managed account, because each route has a different reviewer. Once selected, attach the screenshot and provide a clear reason why you need the setting changed, including dates and recent actions. Explain your ownership and provide verified contact info. This speeds up review. Keep responses concise but specific, so the reviewer can act without follow-up delays. When Twitter support responds, follow their instructions exactly and complete any identity confirmation they request. That's how you prove ownership and unlock the setting. Once they confirm, attempt the change again and clear cache or try a different device if it fails. If it remains blocked, submit a second, concise support request referencing the prior ticket and include new evidence. One key troubleshooting tip: keep your email chain and ticket ID handy so you can escalate without repeating details.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.